Welcome on Bada Classes YouTube channel Darbhanga, and I Dr. with you to discuss some difficult problems from your chapter factorisation, and you have to enjoy this session. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it and also press bell icon for further notification. My dear student, I have just selected 3 questions, and let's start from first. First question has been given 18x squared y minus 24x yz. And actually you have to just pick out that which one has been common. I just mentioned separately in beside this question for your information. The first one has been given 18x squared z. It can be 18 can be factorized 2 into 3 into 3, and after that you know that x squared means x into x, and that is the meaning of y. 24x yz can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and xyz can be written. And in this question you have to select what is common in these two terms. 2 is common, then you can see that 3 is common, x is common, and 1 y is common. So actually what has been in common? 2 into 3 into x into y. Understood? And that means 6xy has been taken as common. All these process you have to done in the rough for your better knowledge. You have to just in solution you have to just write down 6xy, and what is left in the first, you can just see that what is left, 3x has been left from first. So you have to write down 3x. There is a minus sign, so you have to put minus, and after that you can just see that what is left, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and z is left. So 2 to the 4, 4z is left. So you can just write down 4z. That is the final solution of this first question. Second is 2x p squared plus q squared plus 4y p squared plus q squared. You can just see that the two terms 2x p squared plus q squared, and it can be written as 2 into x into p squared plus q squared. And the second term is 4y p squared plus q squared, and which can be written as 2 into y into p squared plus q squared. My dear, you can just see that what is common, p squared plus q squared is common, 2 is common, and this is why you have to select 2 p squared plus q squared as common. And what is left? And you can just see that left in the first term, left is x, and there is a plus sign, so put plus, and what is left in second? 2y. So you have to just return 2y and close the bracket. That is the solution of the second one. And the third has been given x plus y cube minus 3x squared y into x plus y. And two terms are, and you can just see that the first term is x into x plus y cube, which can be written as x into, and x plus y cube means 3 times you have to write x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. And the second term is 3x squared y into x plus y, which can be written as 3 into x into y into x plus y. And you can just see that what is common. Common is x is common in both the terms and x plus y is common in both the terms, and this is why you can just write down x plus y. And what is left in the first one? X plus y into x plus y. So you may write x plus y whole square minus, because there is a minus sign. And what is left in the second? 3xy. So you have to write down 3xy. You may go further. X plus y, since you know the formula of a plus b whole square, and which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and you have to utilize this x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. And one more step, you can go further, x into x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. So its better result is x into x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. My dear student, the first question I have just taken, and in this question you can just see that it is just solved by grouping it. You have to just group of two terms of this expression, and in this way you have to just do that. X cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 10, and after that you have to just find out the common in these two terms. And you know very well that x cube means x into x into x, 2x squared means 2 into x, and what is common? Actually x squared has been taken as the common. X squared, and what is left? Actually in the first one is x, and in second case is 2 plus, and what is given? 5x and 10. 5x means 5 into x, 10 can be written as 2 into 5. What is common? Actually common is 5 in this case. So you can just see that 5 is taken as common, and x plus 2. And now you can just see that these two terms are, actually in these two terms you can just see that this is one term, this is second term. And what is the common in these two terms? X squared into x plus 2 can be written as x into x plus 2. And the second one is 5 into x plus 2 can be written as 5 into x plus 2. What is common? Actually you can just see that common is x plus 2. So in next step you have to take x plus 2. And then what is left in the first case? X squared plus, and in second case what is left? 5. So you have to write down 5. So that is the solution of the first one. So this way you have to solve the next two questions. Second question has been given 3a minus 1 whole square minus 6a plus 2. At first you need to rearrange it. 3a minus 1 whole square and minus 6 taken as common. So 6a minus, because minus minus plus, plus minus minus, you have to take 2. In this question, one more step, 3a minus 1 whole square minus. And what you can just take common in these two terms? 6a minus 2. So 6a means 2 into 3 into a, and 2 is already 2. What is common? Actually 2 is common. So you may take 2 as common. And what is left in the first case? 3a, and in second nothing else. Nothing means 1. So you can just compare in these two terms. Now the term is 3a minus 1 whole square, and second one is 2 into 3a minus 1. You no need to write this line. Whatever you have to better understand it. 3a minus 1 whole square means actually 3a minus 1 into 3a minus 1. And in second one is 2 into 3a minus 1 can be written as 2 into 3a minus 1. You can just see that. So, in both the cases, what is common? 3a minus 1 is common. So, 3a minus 1. And you can just write down in the first one, 3a minus 1 minus 2. And which go further, 3a minus 1 into 3a minus 1 minus 2. And which can be written as 3a minus 1, so 3a minus 3. And one more step, you can just see that. In this case, 3a minus 3a. 3a means actually 3 into a, and 3 means 3 into 1. What is common? Common is 3. So 3 can be written as. 3 can be taken. So what is left? A minus 1. And actually it is written in this way. 3 into 3a minus 1 into a minus 1. That is the final result of this second question. My dear student, in the third question, you need to arrange two terms. My dear, in this question, you have to just rearrange them. And how to rearrange in this question? S cube minus x square. Then you have to arrange ax minus a plus x minus 1. That is the left in the third one. And what is taken in common in these two? X square. Then it can be written as x minus 1. In this question, you may take a as common. Then it would be x minus 1. And the third x minus 1 is already. And if you take x minus 1, because that you can just see that x minus 1, and x minus 1 is present in all three terms. So you have to take x minus 1 as common. Then what is left in the first term? X squared. In second term plus a. And what is left? There is a nothing means 1. That is the solution of the third one. My dear student, the first question I have just taken. Ax plus by whole square plus bx minus ay whole square. Actually, you have to apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, this formula. And formula you know very well that. A square plus b square minus plus, because this is a plus b whole square, 2 into a into b. And in this one you have to apply a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. This formula you have to apply two times. And what it means? A square x square, by square means b square y square plus, it can be written as 2abxy. It can be bx square can be written as b square x square. Ay square can be written as a square y square minus 2abxy. And these two be cancelled. And in this case, you have to just rearrange a square x square plus b square x square. Then you have to arrange a square y square plus what is b square y square. And then you have to take as common x square is present in both the terms. So you have to write down x square has been taken, a square plus b square. And in these two terms, you can just check that y square is present in both of them. So there is y square, a square plus b square. And you can just notice that in both the cases, what is present? A square plus b square is present in both the terms. So you have to take as a square plus b square as common, and what is left in the first one? X square, and in second one is y square. That is the final results. You can just check for the second question. What is second question has been given? A into a minus 2b minus c plus 2bc. To solve this question, at first you need to multiply a into a square, a into 2b, 2ab you may write, 2ab, and a into c, ac plus 2bc. And you have to just rearrange them. If you have to rearrange, then what you get in this case? You have to arrange a square minus ac and then 2bc minus 2ab. You have to just rearrange. What is taken as common? A is taken as common. So result is a minus c. And what is taken as common in both the terms? 2 present in both the b. So you have to take 2b as common, and what you get? C minus a. Since sign is reversed, so you may take minus 2b, then it will be a minus c. Here you have to just keep in the mind that a minus b is equal to minus b minus a. When you have to just take the minus sign, then order is reverse. And the final step, since a minus c is present in both of them, so you may take a minus c into a minus 2b. That is the final answer. Some student can solve by taking these two as a group and these two as another group, and they can be solved by this way. So the same question can be solved by different way. One thing also, in the results it may be given in the book that 2b minus a into c minus a. It may be given in some books, it has given. It is due to that, because if you take the minus sign to change its order, then there is one minus sign, and again you change in the order, then one more minus sign, and minus change into plus. So you may write this way also. Either you left here, you go there, and you can just solve by either this methods or by this methods. Similarly, you can just solve the third and fourth question. Actually, AB, x square plus 1 plus x into a square plus b square has been multiplied in this term, and after that you have to regroup. First with third and second with fourth. Regroup has been done, and after regrouping, the common factor ax has been taken in these two terms and b has been taken in these two terms, and after that the final solution is this. In the fourth and last question, you can just see that this is the question, and in this question I have just made the group of up to 3 terms, and after that minus has been taken, and when the minus has been taken, then 3x, because here is the minus sign, because minus plus in this case, and it has been just rearranged on the basis of a formula a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here x into 1 by x, because if you cancel x and x, then final result is 2. So you have to just rearrange, and it is based on the formula a minus b whole square, which has been written further, and 3 has been taken is the common in the, and the last term you can just see that x minus 1 upon x whole square. So here x minus 1 upon x has been taken in both the terms, and when it has been just common, then what is left? X minus 1 upon x minus, and what is 3. Hope you have understand the first exercise that I have just mentioned regarding factorization, and in next video I will discuss some difficult questions of the next exercise. So keep watching Banga Classes YouTube channel Darbhanga, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it.